Hello everyone, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. My people, this one another Ogbonge update too concerning Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Nnamdi Kanu versus Nigerian government. Tomorrow, Nnamdi Kanu is going to appear in court once again. He will return to court on the April 28th. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu will be back to court once again. So, IPOB legal team, they don't challenge legality of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. They can't cite jurisdictional legal valuations. So, this matter when they go on, so my people, they tell una say it tough, well. And they don't begin the cite things when we say it not the normal for even as the courts they go on. So, una remember say this matter, they're not supposed to start them again. If Nigerian government know what then they do. Today, before the international community, Nigeria is seen as a lawless country when get law and they know they obey them. So, Nnamdi Kanu was released. He was discharged and acquitted. Since 2022, he has been in DSS custody. Nigerian government not let him go. They said they never finished to deal with him. So he go stay there. So Nnamdi Kanu has been there. The case was just like people, it be like a snail when they crawl for ground. Like, we go just deal with you. This matter not they go front, you know they go down. Now, just recently, when we say another new Justice Omotosho, James Omotosho can't take over from that woman, Binta Inyako, when we say she just sit down for Nnamdi Kanu's case. So the case don't they go on, so many things, they don't they notice so many things when we say not they normal and all that. And with what is happening, you can clearly understand that the federal government is out for no good. Yes, because if they want to release Nnamdi Kanu, they don't let them go since. So all this retrial, this and that. Now just for formality. These people, they don't really care what they want to do for mind. So the matter when they grant now be saying, the legal team representing Nnamdi Kanu has raised fresh objections to the ongoing trial of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader, insisting that the proceedings lack legal merit and contravene both Nigerian and international laws. In a statement signed by Onyekachi Ifede Esquire on the behalf of IPOB's Directorate of Legal Affairs and Global Public Communication, the group argued that the current trial being held before Justice James Omotosho at the Federal High Court in Abuja is fatally flawed by procedural and jurisdictional infractions that, in their view, render it unconstitutional. According to the statement, section 76(1)(d) of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022 stipulates that a person may not be tried for a terrorism-related offense unless such an offense has been evaluated and recognized in the country from which the individual was extradited. So the IPOB legal team ascertains that no such legal process occurred in Kenya prior to Kanu's transfer to Nigeria, thereby questioning the jurisdiction of any Nigerian court to hear the case. The team also invoked the principle of speciality, a doctrine in international law which limits prosecution to charges explicitly stated in a lawful extradition request. They maintain that Kanu was not formally extradited from Kenya and alleged that his transfer to Nigeria did not follow due processes under international laws frameworks. Additionally, the IPOB Council cited Section 45 of the Federal High Court Act, which states that terrorism-related cases should be tried in the jurisdiction where the alleged offenses occurred or where its consequences were felt. So the group contains that the acts attributed to Kanu took place outside Nigeria, notably in the United Kingdom and Kenya, challenging the choice of Abuja as the venue of the trial. While reiterating their respect for the judiciary, the statement emphasized that Kanu's presence in court should not be construed as acceptance of the court's jurisdiction or legitimacy of the charges. So the group called on the Nigerian government to end what they described as legally unsustainable processes. The statement concluded with a call for the federal government to reconsider its position and stop the trial, warning that the case could have broader consequences in the arena of international law and public opinion. Nnamdi Kanu is currently facing charges related to terrorism, incitement, and other allegations brought by the federal government. His abduction and trial have drawn significant local and international attention, particularly regarding the legal circumstances surrounding his return to Nigeria. Like as I said, if the Nigerian government wants to release Nnamdi Kanu, they would have done that for a long time. You understand? They would have done that for a long time. But based on say, you get with it and they look for, and that thing when they look for, I just pray say, make them swallow them. Because if they try that thing will cause problem for this country. That is the truth. It's going to cause problem for this country. Nnamdi Kanu has been discharged. In the first place, he was adopted from Kenya. Just like what they said, no court of law in Nigeria is supposed to try him. And if at all he were to be tried, it should not be here in Nigeria. Make it be those country when we say they toxin a day for commit the crime. That is Kenya and UK. So why is Nigerian government trying Nnamdi Kanu? What exactly the Nigerian government is looking for in this Nnamdi Kanu's case? Because there is something these people are not letting us to know. But anyway, then they talk say, truth is like lights. One day, well, very soon, this case is ending and we will see the end. That is the truth. We must see the end of this trial. So now here I go drop on my people. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. I bet not forget to give us a thumbs up or share this video, make it go viral. Let Nigerians understand waiting they happen in this country. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.